Hello dear friends, welcome to Tech on Tech channel. In this video, I will show you how to personalize your video comments on Instagram. So stay with me until the end of the video. Subscribe to the channel and activate the bell. Step 1. Open Instagram account, click your profile, click setting and activity, and click comments. Okay, click comments. Allow comments from everyone, from people you follow, your followers, people you follow, and your followers. Okay, so you can active of the options in my personal opinion. Okay, for example, people you follow, for example, your followers, for example, people you follow and your followers. The setting will apply to all of your posts. Okay, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Tag on Tech.